Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essentials so you can build while ideas are fresh. Measure and cut PVC for hurdles and poles. Use centimeters for precision. Mark once, cut cleanly. Lay out cones and ladder where you'll test spacing. While assembling, check material durability to avoid early failure. Once done, organize tools within reach and test the pump and zip ties. You want momentum now, not later, so prepare pieces in batches to speed construction and reduce setup errors. You now assemble components into usable gear. Start with hurdles by fitting PVC into T-connectors. Test balance and adjust length to 60 centimeters for youth, longer for adults. Next, fasten foam and nylon to create a soft target drape. Attach at 1-2 meters to simulate chest-level catches. Then, construct the agility ladder by spacing rungs 30 centimeters apart and reinforcing ends so it doesn't bunch. As you work, test each item immediately to learn how adjustments change athlete feedback and safety. You finish by ensuring everything is safe and repeatable. Tighten all fittings and sand any rough edges, then run a 20-minute stability test with light impacts. Label adjustable heights and distances so practice setups are consistent. Record spare parts and quick-fix supplies. If a piece wobbles, add small amounts of sand to the base or widen the base by roughly 10 to 15% to regain stability. This avoids constant reassembly. Finally, practice a full drill so you see how equipment performs under real conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.